Today my mom is making Pyaz Wadi Sabzi in the kitchen, the sabzi which we have been eating since childhood and we all love it. So are you guys excited? Because I am too excited. So let's begin cooking. So here are the Amritsari Wadiyan, which is usually made of urad dal, and with Amritsari Wadiyan we have lots of onions. So in the kadhai, first of all heat 1 tablespoon oil. And my mom has just crushed these Amritsari Wadiyan with hand, and then you have to fry these wadis for at least a minute till the wadis become more fragrant and deeper in color. So I can smell that entire kitchen is filled with the aromatic of spices which these wadis are made of. And so time to take these wadis out in a plate. So now in the same pan, in the same oil, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/3 teaspoon asafoetida, which is hing. Let the cumin seeds crackle a bit, and next we'll add split green chili and chopped tomatoes. So these are 3 medium-sized tomatoes I've taken, and saute it a bit till the tomatoes are a little softer for a minute. Next add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon chili powder, and half teaspoon haldi or turmeric powder. Mix everything together, and you have to wait till the tomatoes are nicely mushy and soft. Add a splash of water and cook it for at least 5 to 7 minutes till the tomatoes become absolutely soft. And here goes the next core ingredient in the recipe, except Amritsari Wadiya, right? So here I've taken 3 large size onions which are sliced, and you have to mix it really nicely with the masalas, and you have to cook till the onions become little softer. And now the second core ingredient, the fried Amritsari Wadis goes in. Never add too many wadis to the sabzi, that's what my mother says, because Amritsari Wadiya has lot of masalas, lot of spices. So if you add lot of wadis, then the sabzi will be overpowered with those spices which will not taste as delicious as this curry will be. So now you can see the onions are a little softer. You can adjust the consistency by adding water. Here I've added 1.5 cups of water. Mix it well, and you can keep adjusting the water, the consistency you want. You want it a little thin, you can make it a little thin, but I think this is absolutely perfect. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of garam masala or kitchen king masala, and now almost done, right? So now we just have to cover it and cook it for at least 5 to 7 minutes. We have to simmer the gravy so that the onions become soft, the wadis, their flavors get infused in the curry pretty well. And it's already smelling so delicious. Just mix it well once in between and cover the lid and cook it for further 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, time to uncover the lid, and Pyaz Wadi Sabzi is absolutely ready. This hot and steamy Pyaz Wadi Sabzi is full on flavor. Let's give it some freshness by adding chopped coriander leaves at the end. Mix it once and serve it hot. So try my mother's Pyaz Wadi Sabzi recipe at home, and you can enjoy it with some steamed rice or even chapatis, especially during summers because onions keep you cool from within. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Kapil Ka Kitchen. You can connect with me on Instagram as well. The page name is same, Kapil Ka Kitchen. See you in the kitchen with more such delicious and easy to cook recipes. Till then, keep cooking, keep watching, take care and goodbye.